Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start with the Bank Nifty weekly analysis. After that, we'll go over what I predicted yesterday, basically like how we would react to the market. I'll also show you one account of mine. Okay, I made around 0.6% in that account today. I'll just give you like a basic thing of how we take trades, something like that. Okay, so let's start with the weekly analysis. First thing is current week, the weekly candle. Okay, you're seeing not a closing above the last week's high. Okay, so we need a closing above the last week's high to go long even more. Okay, nothing bearish as of now in this, but for a very strong bullish candle closing, at least this candle should close above the last week's high. If that does not happen, then we can't be overtly bullish. ठीक है, so tomorrow Friday है, कल Friday, तो 3:30 को हमको समझ जाएगा कि मतलब वीकली कैंडल क्लोज कैसे आ रहा है. कि अगर ये बराबर आया वीकली कैंडल क्लोज लास्ट वीक के हाई के ऊपर, without a doubt, like I'm going to carry bullish positions overnight. Okay, now on the daily chart, what can I see? First thing, let's draw support. तो support मुझे दिख रहा है सीधा 52,000 लेवल पे support है. Okay, मतलब a strong support because market was spending some time here, then it broke out, then a retest has come and now it has gone up. So what can we say? First of all, if the market comes down, second time it will be coming down here now, right? So अगर वापस नीचे आता है इसके बाद, तो हम ज्यादा ऐसे बुलिशनेस का वी वोंट प्लान, लाइक वील प्लान फॉर लाइक इट विल वेट हियर एंड देन गो डाउन बिकॉज वन टाइम ऑलरेडी इट टुक सपोर्ट. ओके, नाउ आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग अ लाइन इन द प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल. ओके, इन बैंक निफ्टी, नाउ व्हाट कैन आई सी? आई सी अ क्लोजिंग हैज नॉट कम अबव दिस, मतलब ऑल टाइम. So even after going at all time high, market is still making a red candle sort of a candle. Okay, so this is not even matlab the best of the thing, but it's still not bad. Okay, so what is going to be bad for us, we'll discuss on the 15-minute time frame. So today's candle is bullish and below this low I think slightly bearish we can play. Okay, so daily analysis I don't have much to add for you here. It's just that now let's try to figure out from 15 minutes what we are going to do. See, last week we drew a support here. Okay, and after this breakdown we said that probably like market could go down. Okay, so I gave a bearish view after this. Okay, so and to be fair, the market did go down, but sometimes what happens, this gap opening happens. Now yesterday I read a comment that I was lying about my view yesterday, and my view was bearish the entire week, and I am just showing profits at the end. Yesterday, if you watch my video closely, I said I opened in like losses, then I converted those losses into profits. If I'm in loss at the opening and if I'm booking a loss, it means my view has gone wrong. So my yesterday's video basically tells you that even after your view goes wrong, what can you do to recoup like your money? Okay, so there's nothing to lie. Just clarifying that. Now here we observed that this was a resistance, right? Now this resistance will change into a support whenever the market would go up, right? So here you come to know that market was sustaining above this line, right? So what did I do? I drew one more line here and also at the previous support, and I said that because market has like broken the resistance, even if the market comes down today, it will eventually go up because it will take support at that level. That was my logic and intuition, okay, for today, and that's why I played bullish. Now just for example, now what did I do in my small account? Okay, so this is a 10 lakh account. I basically sold a 60 rupee option and I took leverage and sold that, right? Now by day end, this 60 rupee became 38. So what I did, this candle doesn't seem fantastic to me, the Bank Nifty daily candle, and also Nifty is going up daily. I'll show you in the Nifty chart also, but Nifty is not looking convincing to go long. Matlab, even though market is daily going long, it's not convincing enough for me. So what I did, I just took off the leverage and I even reduced the premium. Now let's see tomorrow how the opening is. If I get a decent opening tomorrow, a gap up, and if it sustains above today and yesterday's high, then I'll be looking to continue with the bullish momentum. But basically here I just want to highlight not too much stress, okay, in these kind of trades. You just sell some far OTM option and then just book it, like because of your view you're going to be right multiple times. So like we are pretty good in technicals, so we can figure out the right time to take entry, and those entries are going to help us make profits. So here one example I've just shared you. What I want to highlight is I took leverage. I used leverage when I thought my view is going to be correct. Now if I'm feeling like iffy about the view, what am I going to do? I'm just going to cut the leverage. Now I'm going to sell naked options overnight because this reduces my quantity, which reduces my risk, okay, in short. And I even rolled them back. Okay, so even if this goes to zero, I still gain 0.5% on my capital. Okay, this 30 rupee premium, if this goes to zero, I gain 0.5%, and I've already made more than like 0.5% today itself. So this week my 1% target will be hit like that. So just sharing that. Now coming back to Bank Nifty, here we can see that this is a like small support. Okay, 2 times it has taken support here. Now what are we going to do because of these 2 touches? Now if Bank Nifty goes down below this, we'll start to think of selling calls. We'll start to think this is a swing high. Okay, and we can start to sell calls above that level, right? Best case, what will happen for bearishness, I'll tell you. If market comes down below this level, 52,600 level, okay, if market breaks this with a strong candle, or if you want to be even sure, go even further, dur, and start betting on this. Matlab, if market comes below this level, we can safely assume that market basically this weekly high can go to zero then. Okay, that's what my planning would be moving forward in this week. And simple, this small range, okay, market is trading in a small range. Now if this range breaks on the upside, this is what I want, near an all-time high, then I can go long even more on the put side. Okay, basically that's it for Bank Nifty. Trade the breakout on the upside, and on downside, if you're conservative, wait for 52,480. And if you're slightly a risk taker, like you can start trading, like selling calls below 52,800 itself. Cool. So that was simple, my analysis at least for Bank Nifty. Let's see Nifty. So the Nifty weekly candle is looking good because it's even above the last week's high. Okay, so candle also seems the body is good enough. So let's at least from the weekly candle I infer कि Nifty bullish है. Okay, तो इसमें हम डेली और 15 मिनट पे देखेंगे अगर बेरिश होना है तो कहाँ होना है. डेली चार्ट पर मुझे क्या दिख रहा है, मुझे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे निफ्टी स्पेंड सम टाइम हियर. ओके, 23,664 एंड मार्केट हैज गॉन अप अ लॉट आफ्टर दैट. मतलब तो मुझे एक छोटा सा सपोर्ट आई कैन सी नियर 24,174, बट मतलब प्रॉपर सपोर्ट अगर है निफ्टी को तो दैट इज एट दिस लेवल विच इज वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम इट्स करंट मार्केट प्राइस. सो और मुझे ये जो कैंडल्स देख के मुझे ऐसा मस्त एंथुजियाज्म नहीं आ रहा है और लॉन्ग जाने को, बिकॉज रोज इट्स गोइंग अप. लाइक उसका जो एंगल है बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब ऊपर जाने का, इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस, जब ये स्ट्रॉन्ग ऐसा ऊपर जाता है 90 डिग्री में, वो नीचे भी आता है वैसे ही. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मूव सस्टेन if it goes up like this? No, these kind of moves sustain. Okay, something goes up like this, it is bound to come down also equally hard. So like we have to be very like alert in Nifty because daily it's going up, but as of now the daily chart, it doesn't look bullish to me. Okay, it seems like a slot of bearish candle flows. Okay, so what we are going to do, Nifty, I think like I don't like mess around much in Nifty because it's very hard like to trade. I'm going to avoid having a view in Nifty as of now. See, the weekly candle I think is bullish, but daily say I cannot infer matlab what to do. So let's go on the 15 minute. Maybe this time frame helps us. So Nifty on the 15 minute time frame, it looks to me as if this like box, it broke out of the box and it's going up, but it does not have that strong movement which like needs to go up. Okay, so what we are going to do, if the market comes down here temporarily, we might search for a support here. I don't trade Nifty, so I am not going to do this trade. But if I had to trade, I would do this. This is what I'm sharing. So 24,150 to 200 के आसपास, I'm just going to try to find support in this zone in Nifty. Okay, and bearishness, I can't find it anything yet. I mean, the trend line also doesn't seem perfect to me. This kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wait for it to come below the rectangle. Now I'm going to lose a lot of points by foregoing this down move. But it's okay because I won't have a lot of conviction if it starts to come down. Let's say, okay, for example, let's say I've shorted calls here and it's coming down. So if it starts to go up like this, I won't have conviction in that to hold my call sells. That's why I will let it go and I will play below this rectangle. So iske niche if Nifty comes, I would know that, okay, this last swing, I'm just going to start selling that. Okay, Nifty mein I can see that only. Okay, so basically we spoke about Bank Nifty. We spoke about what you should do if you're conservative, like on the bearish side at least. And bullishness, you have to play above the all-time high. Then I showed you my small account as well of Bank Nifty. I showed you how basically a small trade I took, I made 0.6% today. And what I did to de-risk my trade, that also I showed. And Nifty, I am unable to form a view as of now. So I would like to wait for a couple more days, or at least let for tomorrow, like 3 p.m. we'll come to know. And on Saturday, we can cover the weekly analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so tomorrow I think after Friday 3 p.m. that becomes really important because the weekly candle closing is there. And as always, if you benefited from this video, I would like urge all of you to please hit the like button. It really helps to us to grow our channel. And also, if you're interested in joining the workshop, where basically this account which I showed you is the account I keep sharing with the workshop participants. If you want to see what kind of trades we do and if you want to learn our setups, you are most welcome to join the workshop, which will take place next week on Saturday and Sunday, which is the 13th and 14th in Bangalore. So you can do so via the link given in the description below. Okay, so I'll see you very soon on Saturday. Okay, bye bye.